Okay, so this screencast tutorial is a follow-up to ADR loop recording. So now we're going to look at how you would edit together the best takes from your recording session into one good take that you can use. So the idea is that you'll have just completed loop recording, and as you can see in the session here, we've got several tracks. 5 tracks, all on different playlists. If you can't see all the playlists at once, you want to make sure that you are seeing here in your track view selector playlists. That will show you all of the playlists under each other. So we've just done the recording. What I'm going to play back now is the top track that we can see, so it is number 5, take 5. I'm just going to mute the original audio from the video so we can just hear what was recorded.
Okay, before I loan you this, I expect, if you lose of course, my money back within a week. Crystal?
Okay, so that was the last take that we did. It's not perfect by any means. We've got 4 other takes apart from that, so if I want to audition the different takes, I just select solo for that particular playlist, and now it'll play back. That would be 0, 1, so that's take number 1. So let's play that back.
Okay, before I loan you this, I expect,
and etc. We can review each one, but none of these takes are perfect, so we need to edit together from all the takes that we've got and take the best bits from each. I'm just going to choose my smart tool up here, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a blank playlist. This is so we can edit together from all the previous takes. So if we go to the drop down arrow here and choose new, that creates me a new playlist, but I've got to name it. Now I'm going to name this one comp. You could name it edit or comp. Comp means composite, so just something to remind you that this is an edited version of the best bits. So okay, that. So let's go to what we think might be our best take so far. Let's just try this one.
okay, before I loan you this,
so I like that first bit there. So what I'm going to do is select that first bit, and I'm going to hit the arrow next to the solo button, and that says copy selection to main playlist. So I'm going to hit that, and that moves that up to the top window now, or the top playlist. Now I'm going to find another bit on another take which I like. So let's see, the next line is
I expect,
right?
I expect, if you lose of course.
Now let's take that bit as well, because that's pretty good. And again we hit the arrow, moves it up to the top playlist. And finally, let's find the last bit.
My money back within a week. Crystal?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to select that last bit, hit the arrow, and that goes up to my top playlist. Now I'm ready to play that back. So here we go.
Okay, before I loan you this, I expect, if you lose of course, my money back within a week. Crystal?
So there we have an edited version of the best bits of our ADR recording. If you do find that none of your takes are absolutely perfect, and you can't even edit together one good take, then you could try using a piece of software called Revoice Pro. We'll be having a look at that in another tutorial.